Ew, look at those wheels. They're gross. Let's clean those wheels and bearings so you roll as fast as you can at the rink. Welcome to Rolling Rink Rats. My name is Jen, and I'll be your host. You're going to want to get yourself some odorless mineral spirits. Get a 10 that you can throw away. I like the ones that you bake in. And I also like using a chopstick. That way I don't have to touch anything. You're going to take your wheels and your bearings off using a ratchet set. If you don't know how to change your wheels and bearings, you can watch another video that we'll have later. We'll put all the links in the descriptions. After removing all of your bearings from your wheels, you can see all the crud on the inside that we're going to take care of. Ugh, look how dirty these bearings are. They're disgusting. You should be using gloves, but I kind of just go for it. You take the mineral spirits and you can pour it directly onto the bearings. Make sure you cover all the bearings on both sides. I like to take the chopstick and put them inside the bearings and swish them around, getting all that dirt and grime out, occasionally flipping them like a salad. You really want to get all the grit and the grime out of the bearings. That is what's keeping you from rolling. Just constantly flip and swish, flip and swish. Now while we're waiting for them to soak, we're going to take care of these wheels. I like to use just a degreaser that you would use on any household stove tops or kitchen items. This heavy-duty foam degreaser, you just spray it all on the inside, really get in there. You want to break down all that old dirt and grease and grime that gets inside those wheels while you're skating around at your local roller rink. Usually I just take a paper towel, or you can even use a nice clean fiber rag, and you really want to get in there, getting all that grease and grime. As you can see the difference between the left and the right. Big difference. Look at those sexy wheels. You're going to check on your bearings and swish them around a little more. Swish, 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 swish. Occasionally flipping them and making sure that they look clear of all grease and grime. Leftover oil and dirt can really cause a lockup. Look how clean those wheels are. We're going to clean the outside of the wheels with a face wipe or Clorox wipe. Those work the best. You can see the difference in the wheel. Now your wheels are ready to shine. While I'm waiting for the bearings to soak, I like to take a paper towel and clean off the axle. Hair can get built up around from skating around in your local rink. Now really get those bearings turning. The more you spin the bearings and work that grime out with the mineral spirits, the more of an easy flow you will get when you're rolling around the rink. Taking care of these items can really help you skate as fast as you can. As recommended, you should be using gloves, but like I said, I'm just going at it today. Soaking is key. Now we are going to take each bearing out and lay them to dry. Get a nice absorbent towel that you don't mind ruining. And I like to flip all the bearings out and make them all one-sided. If you notice, bearings have a casing, so there's an open side and an unopened side. To make sure that I have both sides clean and padded properly, I like to flip them all onto one side and pat, and then flip them all on the other side and pat, 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 pat. Now I like to line them up and get them ready for oil. You're going to want to put them casing side up so you can put the oil directly into the bearings. Using the needle of the oil, you'll slowly put a few drops all the way around into each bearing. When you're done, you're going to want to spin each bearing and really get that oil in between all of the little tiny bearings that are inside. Spin, spin, spin all that oil through. Then I like to flip over the bearings so that the excess oil can drip down into the towel. We don't want any oil on our wheels when we're at the skating rink. Now we are going to insert the bearings carefully into each wheel. If you'd like to know how to change your wheels and bearings, we will be posting another video on how to do that. So look for that later on. Look how beautiful and clean. It's almost like they're brand new again. Make sure to put all your wheels and bearings back on using your ratchet set. Never tightening it too much. Now you want to give your wheels a nice little spin. Sometimes it takes a session to really work the oil into the bearings. Wow, look at those. Now I'm ready for the skating rink. Your wheels and bearings can be this clean if you follow these simple instructions and links in the description. Follow along and subscribe. Thanks for watching Roller Rink Rat's Quad Squad. Look for more videos. SipMyDrip.com, specializing in original and custom shirts. Want your skate on a shirt? SipMyDrip.com.